Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a stunning AI anime videos with KLING and VEED AI. Let's get started. First, we'll start with ChatGPT's 4S image generation tool. You can use or either describe the anime scene you want or upload a reference image and ask it turn it into anime illustration in just a few moments. Then you have this prompt. You can custom anime image ready. You can even tweak or request a different variations if you're building a whole story. Then head over to KLING AI. This is where the magic really happens. Here you can upload your images and simply describe the kind of animation or motion you want to see. Then the KLING will generate a beautiful, lifelike anime video scenes based on your images and description. It's seriously mind blowing. And then here also in Vid AI, once your clip are ready, jump into Vid AI to bring everything together. This is where you can arrange your shots, add music, text animation, subtitles, or even AI generated voiceover. If you don't want to write a script yourself, you can ask ChatGPT to whip one up for you. And after a few finishing touches, hit export. Just like that, you've created your very own AI generated anime video. It's that easy. Then, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.